Right now we're going to move this loose. Be careful where you're moving. You should be careful. You should be careful. There is no touch, no touch. And then right now we lose the cup wall sealing mode. Cup wall sealing mode. We should take the ring out. We should take the paper grab ring out. But first we should lose. We should lose these parts. We should lose these parts and remove it. 好的 and here there is a bolt under there is two bolts. Third bolt bolt. After you see, after you do this, it's already dropped. And right now we will lose the ring. We will lose the ring. Yeah.两个spanner. We should lose the ring. Two spanner, two side. Yeah. Two side to lose the bolts. First bolt and the last. The nuts. Take the bolt and the nuts. And here. 等一下，要把这个拿出来是吧？take the bolt out. And here there is the bearing. 等一下，这个看不见，看不到。here the bearing, take it off, and take the bearing, and then you can take it off. Okay, 这是两个 bearing 啊，是 two bearing, be careful, two bearing. 一边三两个吧，一边三个吗？
这有三个。
three bearing, three bearing. 3, 1, 2, 3. One side 3, one side 3.
这里面也有三个。
Yeah, each side 3, three bearing. Okay. Then we do another. We do another side. You should keep the bearing and the bolts. But now we do the another side of the opposite side. Same. The work is same. Lose the two side ring out. Yes. You see the bearing. The bearing is already dropped. So this one change a lot easier. You should slowly take the bolt out, and then slowly move this part out, the ring out. After move is like this. Here is a ring rod. There's a ring rod. This one controls the ring. The ring work. Yeah. Slowly, not easy. Change this part not easy. Take time. If it's not easy, if it's not easy, you need something help. You need something help to take it off. Okay, but now lose it. There's a bolt, and then take it off. Take the ring. First take the bearing out, and then take the ring. Take the ring out. You see, the ring is like this, two sides, and here is control the rod. Should take all the bearing and the bolts and keep it. And what now we will lose this board. We will lose this main mode, capside cylinder mode. What now we lose the main mode? First we lose the pipe. We lose the pipe, the cylinder oil pipe. Remove the cylinder oil pipe. And the second, there is a bolt. Has a center location board, and also fix. There is 3 fixed board. Center board and the 3 fixed boards. It's different spanner. Be careful. You should be careful while doing it, because maybe it's tight. Especially after long time no change. After long time no change. Why we do not suggest to change often change mode? Because often change mode we are easily broken. We are easily broken the bolt screw, and maybe making it loose and not easy to do it.掉下来了，要不要抬住？
哪个？
我去。
没有，它掉不下来。
为什么呢？
它里面一个套子套里面。
哦。There's a center. There's a center word inside. So I'll do it now slowly. Slowly pull it. And here, there is a pipe. Here's a pipe for blower, help the blower. This is for some of the mode we use it. This mode is for help to release the cup wall. It's heavy, it's steel, you see? Full steel. And the ring and mold, and the sanding oil to the sponge, and 3 pieces boards, and the center board location, and here is a pipe. Here is air help to blow the paper off.